and welcome back to Super at 60. Welcome to my home and welcome to my kitchen. Guys, today is gonna be so much fun. Hey, I know it's not Tuesday. It's either Wednesday or Thursday for you guys when you'll see this, but it is Tuesday today, and it is Test Kitchen Tuesday, and I'm in my kitchen, and oh my goodness, there's stuff everywhere. But I will say, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna take a store-bought package of a product that I hear is absolutely fabulous. Okay, just as good as homemade, just the way it is, don't add anything. So that's what we're gonna do today. And this is what we're making. Yes, sorry, there's a glare on that. It's the lemon pound cake mix from Aldi. And I know a lot of us shop at Aldi. So let me know in the comments below, please, if you have purchased this and if you have tried it and if you have made it exactly according to the directions on the back. You haven't added anything, but if you did add something, let me know what it is you did add. Now, if you haven't made the cake, the pound cake, let me know things that you might add to it. Like me, I'm just dying to add some lemon rind, you know, some lemon zest or a lemon extract, but I'm not gonna do it. I am honestly gonna make it probably for the first time in my life. Yeah, and I'm not even gonna change out the water for milk. Oh, that's a big one. Yeah, that is a big one. So here we go. Let's put this to the test and see if it truly is just like homemade. Now, I make a lemon pound cake and it better be as good as mine or I'm not gonna buy one again. And I will tell you guys the absolute truth at the end of the video, whether this is a thumbs up or a thumbs down. All right, let's go ahead and start with water. Go ahead and put that right in. And it also calls for some melted butter. So we'll put that right in. I went ahead and got everything ready for y'all so you didn't have to wait around on me to open stuff or crack eggs or whatever. I even got my eggs ready. So we'll put 2 eggs in. Right. All right, that's it. That's all that you need to put in here. All right, so let's go ahead and mix this up nice. All right. That just took a minute to get that all whipped up there. I'll tell you what, as soon as I started that beater going, I could smell a tremendous amount of lemon going on. Oh yeah, that's really nice. And look at that batter too. It's nice and thick. I like a thick batter for a pound cake. Pound cake batter is different from cake batter. Okay, cake batter can sometimes be a little runny, drippy, and pound cake batter generally is not. Whoops. All right, so all you gotta do now is just the normal kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my pan here. Now, if you want to, excuse me, I hate the smell of that stuff. I should use coconut oil. And I wanted to use coconut oil in the cake too, and I would have put that in there as well instead of the butter or half and half. But I didn't want to change up the flavor of this one bit. So we'll see. We'll see how it comes out. All right, so go ahead and just put it right in the pan. Couldn't be easier, right? Just couldn't be easier than this. I mean, if you have company coming for dinner, you know, unexpected company, and you want to have something for dessert, you could just serve this plain because there is a glaze that actually comes with it as well. I forgot to tell you about. Okay, here's that little package of glaze, and I think all you add to it is cold water, a couple tablespoons of cold water. And I have a feeling this is going to be very lemony too, but I haven't opened it yet. The pound cake goes in, like I said, for $3.50 for 50 to 55 minutes, but you know, I'm gonna set mine at about 35 just to be safe, and then test it with a toothpick, you know the deal. And then just put it out on a rack and let it sit in the pan for a little bit, like say 5-10 minutes, and then flip it out very gently. Cut around the sides and flip it out so it all comes out nicely, and turn it back over, and then just let it sit there till it is completely cooled, and then we'll make our glaze and just put it all over the top of this cake, and then we'll give it a try. The best part. Here's the glaze. The cake is just about cooled down now. And all this is a packet, I guess it's just a packet of powdered sugar, but there is some kind of a lemony, a wonderful lemony flavor in there. I'm sure it's artificial, but you can definitely taste it. So there's 1 tablespoon, and I'm just gonna put a dribble of another one. And that's what I would suggest you do as well. You know how powdered sugar can be, it just kind of disappears with liquid. But, you know, if it gets a little too runny for you, just add a little bit more powdered sugar. Hopefully you have it. All right, and just mix it up till it's a nice paste. But drizzable. All right, you know what I'm trying to say. Make sure it can drizzle over the cake. Drizzable. Oh, forget it. All right, here's a quick peek at the cake, kind of nice and up close. It's beautiful and golden, just like a pound cake should be. It's gotten a little bit firm as it sat. You have to let it sit in the pan for just a little bit, then take it out very carefully, and then just let it sit on the rack till it's totally cooled. All right, so let's go ahead, and I got my frosting here, my glaze here just right. And we're gonna go ahead. Now, I'm not real good at drizzling. I just never have been, so I will do my best. I'm gonna use my, just gonna use the whisk that I whisked it up with. Not too bad, huh? All right, and it's just that easy. If it drizzles down the side, even better. All right, the drizzle itself, the glaze, is pretty good. Very lemony. Well, you can see how beautiful that pound cake came out. It's really lovely. I have a little piece right here to show you. Yeah, look at that. Look how yellow and nice it is. It's very pound cake-like. You know, it's not super light like a cake mix. It's got a little bit of density to it, but not too much. It's absolutely beautiful. There's the glaze on the other side. Really lovely. Oh, I just love it. I just think it's a beautiful looking cake, and it sure does smell good. And that glaze is extremely lemony. Very, very nice. So I'm gonna take just a little bite here and make sure I get plenty of that glaze on there. Yum. Okay. Oh my goodness. I wanted to take a piece of that cake in there too. You know what? I think I need another little piece. I'm just trying to get the cake part. I want you guys to see how beautiful that cake is. All right. The honest truth is it's very delicious. And yes, you could serve this anytime exactly how it is. I think the cake needs a little bit more lemon. So I would add lemon flavoring, you know, lemon extract, or yes, some about a tablespoon maybe of lemon rind. But the consistency of it is simply wonderful. I really, really like it. The glaze is fantastic. It is so good. I wouldn't change it. I wouldn't do anything to it. As you saw in the pretty little picture, I did put 3 little tiny, very thinly sliced lemon rounds. Just 1, 2, 3, place them right directly on top of the cake, and they just stick really nicely to that glaze. It is beautiful. It is absolutely a picture if you do something like that. Yeah, I will give this a thumbs up. Just tweak it a little bit for you and buy it. Buy one at Aldi next time you go. Pick up one of their lemon pound cake mixes. I've got it right here. I'll show you one last time. That's what it looks like. It's right next to all the baking goods, the brownie mixes, the cake mixes. I know you all have bought some of those. Yes, indeed. It's got all the directions right on the back. It's so easy. It's so easy, and it's really quite good. So, oh goodness, that's great. That's so great. That is so great. Look, I'm speechless because it's so good, and I was so happy it came out after I spent, you know, a couple hours in the kitchen trying to get it all done. And you know, it's sad when it doesn't come out too good. So anyway, thanks for joining me today. I'm Darlene. This is Super at 60, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye now, and Lord bless.